It was just a normal day. I was walking in my yard and saw this worm. I immediately knew something was wrong because he wasn't acting right, like a real worm would. His color was off, so I tried to put him back in his own environment and left him there overnight. And the next day I went to check on him and he was limp. Oh my gosh, look at him. At that point, I knew that I needed to take him in and that he needed my help. I called a couple of professionals and asked them what to do, and they realized that I had a worm that had a rare condition of oculocutaneous, which is a form of albinism. So naturally, we did exactly what anybody else would have done in our situation, which was we built him his natural habitat in the hopes that he would feel better. And that is exactly what happened. He would just stay there for a couple days, and then I swear he would look at me through the glass and just smile. That smile meant everything in the world to me. I really knew at that point that he was going to get better, and he really did. He started thriving. He would sort of scoot into my sleeve, and that was like his favorite spot to rest. He would oftentimes lay on my shoulders, and I've caught him a couple times resting with my daughter. It was just so adorable. I introduced him to the dog because I felt like the time was ready, and it went really well. I've even caught them snuggling together when nobody was looking as well. The doctors realized that along with his albinism, that he probably, suffered with some sort of depression, just because he was different in his, worm colony, and that probably didn't help at all. But we're just so glad that he's better, and we've been able to give him a better life.